So this is the setup I have for butt welding small pieces of round bar such as this together. It's just in a piece of angle iron, and on the back of it a smaller piece of angle iron is welded in order to give a platform for this piece here, which my ground clamp goes to. These pieces came from a transformer that was in a microwave oven. They're small they're thin plates stacked together, and I put some spot welds on the sides to keep them that way. Utilizing the grooves here, these slots, I set my piece of angle iron down, and underneath it I place half a circle magnet, donut magnet, whatever you want to call it, here to hold the material that I'll be placing here in place. In this case I have a letter T, part of a sign that I was commissioned to make. For whatever reason the letter came out too short. I miscalculated, so I need about half an inch here. Now the pieces are aligned.